Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change voice and make a call to anyone you like. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you'd like to disguise your voice and make a call to someone using your Android device, then you can do this using a voice changing app. Simply go open up your Play Store and in the search bar, search for phone calls and make your search. There are lots of voice changing apps found all over the internet. You can choose any one of them, but in today's video, I've chosen phone calls voice changer application. Once you find the app that looks like this, tap the install button to download the application on your Android device. Once you download the application, tap the open button to launch the app open. Accept the privacy policy by tapping on this little box and tap approve. You'll need to allow access for the application to your phone number, microphone, contacts, and file. Tap on Sure I'm in order to enable. Allow more access by tapping on Allow in the pop-up. And once you enable all of the necessary permissions, make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Now you can use the app's settings to change your voice until it's unrecognizable. Once you log into the app, tap on the dialer button at the bottom in green. This will take you to this interface. You can now enter a phone number by typing it in with the help of your keypad, or select a phone number from your contact list. Once you type in a phone number, choose the sound effect from the top of the screen. You can choose between scary, man, funny, and helium. Once you select the voice that you'd like to change to, tap on the call button in green to make your call. You also have an option to record your call by enabling the button at the bottom right that says record call. Make sure that it is highlighted in red in order to turn on the option. Once you tap on the receiver button at the bottom, you'll be able to change your voice and make a call to anyone with this particular application. That is how you can easily change your voice and make a call to anyone using your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.